Hi, Companion Animal Science. Obviously, I'm not there with you today, and this one won't let me put him down. This is my son, James. He's very cute, um, at least in my opinion. Please keep your opinion to yourself if you don't agree. Today, you guys are going to work on an activity to continue your animal rights and welfare. And today, you're going to be looking more at your own beliefs and going a little bit deeper into those. We aren't going to be sharing those today, but we will next week. So as you work through the stuff today, make sure that as you're writing your opinions, you're writing a thorough opinion and that you are continuing to be well balanced, remembering that you have to express that opinion in a respectful way to others. Once you guys are done with that, you're going to spend some time doing the CATS menu. So to start out today, if you'll get out your animal science notebooks and turn to page 32. You can pause the video at any point if you need to find those. I'm going to continue with directions when I can find the button. All right. So for activity 312, you guys are going to be investigating your beliefs a little bit better. So follow along with me as we read the purpose. It says, pigs are friends, not food. You guys know where that one's from, right? Well, sort of. Most likely you recognize something similar to that from Nemo. But we also have bumper sticker campaigns that have said that beef is what's for dinner. So you may have seen some of these types of slogans in TVs and magazines. You may have agreed or disagreed with those statements. But have you ever really thought more deeply about what your personal beliefs are related to specific uses of animals? So are animals just creatures that live near you that you can use at will? Or do you believe that animals are feeling and caring beings like yourself, and therefore there's probably a different expectation of care for them? So today you're going to be thinking about how you believe humans should care for animals. There are two main philosophies that exist, animal rights and animal welfare. We've discussed those in our notes over the last couple of days. Just to review, animal welfarists believe that animals should be treated in a kind and caring manner, where animal rights activists or rights believers believe that animals have the same rights as humans and we should reduce the ways that we are using them. Which philosophy best reflects your personal opinions is the question you're investigating today. So today you guys are really just going to need a pencil, paper, and your notebook. So this shouldn't take us terribly long. It's just a chance for you to really reflect a little bit more deeply. So in part one, you guys are going to be working through the questionnaire on page 33 through 35. You can see a little diagram of that down here in the corner. I'll move my video out of the way. All you're going to do is read each statement and check a box to say if you strongly agree, you're undecided, you disagree, or you strongly disagree with each one of those statements. Go all the way through the table and just give your honest response. If you're not sure, just check that undecided or come back to it later if you want to think about it more. When you guys are done with that, you're going to go on to page 36. And on page 36, there are 6 statements. Yeah, 6 belief statements that I want you to write. So for each one of these categories, things are a little out of the way here. Don't do that. Sorry, my son's trying to put his keys, or my keys, in his mouth. Let's try to not have him throw up on the video. That would be not fun. So what you guys are going to do is for each statement, refer back to the questions that relate to those items. This is a fun one, guys. And just write yourself a quick belief statement. So you're going to look at questions 1 through 7 and write a 1-sentence, I believe placing the needs of humans over animals is blank. There's an example recorded for you, but for each set of questions, you can write a belief statement. When you guys are done with that, turn back to page 30. Page 33, where you've got some conclusion questions to answer. Answer those quick conclusion questions, and then the rest of the day, you should turn to page 118 and work on your CATS menu. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next week. We're going to wrap this video because it's getting less entertaining by the second. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. Oh, it's okay.